Hello everyone, welcome to today's training on practical digital skills with Microsoft Power Apps. Your tutor is Mr. Martins, a Power Platform engineer based in London. Now, let's talk about Power Apps, also known as how to build an app without crying over code. So imagine this, your workplace has that one Excel sheet. You know the one? Everyone edits it, nobody owns it, and somehow it breaks every Friday. That's where Power Apps comes in. Power Apps is a tool from Microsoft that lets you build apps without needing to be a hardcore developer. Think of it like building with Lego making. But instead of plastic blocks, you're using buttons, forms, and data. You can create apps for things like staff check-ins, inventory tracking, approval workflows, or even a simple request form, all without writing heavy code. Just drag, drop, connect your data, and you're good to go. Now, don't get it twisted. It's called low code, not no brain. You still need logic. You still need to think. But instead of writing 200 lines of code, you're writing simple formulas that actually make sense most of the time. The real magic is how it connects with tools you already use like SharePoint, Excel, and Teams. So instead of chasing people for updates, your app does the chasing for you. And the best part? You can go from idea to working app in hours, not months. Yes, hours. Your boss will think you're a wizard. Don't correct them. So if you've ever said, there has to be a better way to do this, Power Apps is probably that better way. Start small. Build one app. Break it. Fix it. And before you know it, you're the tech person everyone suddenly depends on. Welcome to Power Apps.